UX is an important aspect of any design or development process, and it's crucial that you understand the basics if you want to be successful. In this video, we're going to discuss 5 pillars of UX that will help you become a better designer. By understanding these principles, you'll be able to create effective user experiences that satisfy your users' needs. So whether you're just getting started in the UX world or you've been working in the field for some time now, take a look at this video and learn something new. 1. User experience is about understanding your users and their needs. User experience is about understanding your users and their needs and delivering a unique and engaging experience that meets their needs. This involves designing and creating an optimal user interface, developing intuitive and easy-to-use functionality, and ensuring that the overall user experience is consistent and flawless across all devices and platforms. By taking these steps, businesses can ensure that their users are satisfied with their interactions with the product or service and that they continue to use it or recommend it to others. 2. User experience starts with research. User experience starts with research, which is the process of gathering information about your target audience and their needs. This information is used to create user flows, the sequence of steps a user takes when interacting with a product or service, which in turn informs the design and layout of the user interface. By understanding your users and their needs, you can create a product or service that is easy to use and enjoyable to use. This will help you increase conversion rates and retention rates, which in turn will help your business grow and succeed. 3. Good design is based on feedback and iteration. Feedback is essential for improving the design, and iteration is necessary to ensure that the design is refined and meets the needs of the user. When designing a product or website, it is important to collect feedback from users early on in the development process. This feedback can be used to improve the design, make changes to the user interface or functionality, or develop new features. It is also important to keep track of how users are using the product or website so that changes can be made based on user feedback and observations. By constantly testing and tweaking the design, businesses can create products that are both effective and user-friendly. 4. UX designers must be able to think critically and come up with solutions on the fly. UX designers are responsible for creating a user experience that is both effective and user-friendly. They must be able to think critically and come up with solutions on the fly when faced with challenges or unexpected situations. This includes being able to identify and address problems with the design of the user interface, as well as creating user feedback surveys and testing different designs with users. UX designers must be able to work well in a team environment and be able to share their ideas and proposals with other members of the team. 5. UX design principles should be adaptable and flexible. User experience, UX design principles should be adaptable and flexible in order to meet the needs of different users and scenarios. UX design should be able to change as users interact with the product, making it easier for them to understand and use the functionality. In addition, UX design should be able to respond quickly to changes in user feedback, so that the experience is always optimal.